Hey, Kharisma here. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about finding your passion. And, sometimes people find it challenging to really uncover and have clarity over what they're truly passionate about. But what I know for sure is that your passion is something that is inside of you, deep inside of you. From the time you were born into this world, your passion was there. And you may not know, or you may not have clarity on what it is, but your passion leaves clues. And your passion, I truly believe, is really helps fuel your purpose, the reason why you were created here. The mission is all part of to help you fulfill your mission here on earth. So today I'm going to be sharing 10 questions for you to really uncover and really gain clarity on what your passion is. Now for me, when I was growing up, and I've shared here before, I was passionate on teaching the children in my neighborhood who used to come over to my house, and I would be their teacher every evening after school. And this is something that I was passionate about. And I was also passionate about really helping them to have a day in the spotlight. So I would host these pageants, and we would get all dressed up in, or for me, it was my grandparents' clothing, my grandmother's clothing, where I would dress up in her clothing, put on her high heels and, all her jewelry. And my friends, who were participating in the pageant, they would also dress up in their mom's clothing. And I would host these pageants, and I would use like the front of my house. It was this big high steps. So I had like maybe 8 steps. And it was like a stage that you would stand on at the front of the house. And we would have so much fun. And it would be their time to shine. Now, those 2 passions of mine hasn't gone away. I am still doing that today. I am still teaching. Me showing up here on this channel and sharing with you in these videos is another way for me to be a teacher and to really help teach you and inspire you and motivate you to live your best version of yourself and to really overcome anything that's standing in your way, whether it's money mindset blocks or any type of limiting beliefs that's holding you back. It's my way of showing up just in the way of who I truly am, which is a teacher at heart. And the other way is really, creating a platform for others to shine on. And I do that through my magazine, where I interview and I feature women and men entrepreneurs and business owners who are doing amazing things in the world, who are just really having an impact in the lives of others and the lives of their audience. And that's my way of really showcasing them and really shedding the spotlight, just like how I used to do when I was growing up. And the other ways, my other passions that I discovered when I was growing up as well was interior design. Now I no longer really focus on that in a major way. Like when I really launched my first ever business, it was interior design. I also went back to school and studied interior design when I was working full-time in the corporate world. And the design element comes into my creativity. I'm a very creative person as well as a very strategic person. So I have those 2 spectrums where I call the yin and the yang. My creative perspective or creative side of me comes into when I'm working with a client as it relates to their brand, or even when it relates to really getting clear on, getting clear from going from A to B, for them to help fulfill their mission here on earth and really fulfill their vision for their life and for their business. So your passion is something that's seeping through your veins in every single aspect of your life, but you may not know it, you may not be clear on what it is, or you may need further clarity. So here are 10 questions to help you really, really get clear on finding or uncovering your passion or passions, because you can have more than one passion. So the first question to ask yourself is, what it was your favorite thing to do when you were growing up? And I just shared about that. Number 2 was, when you were a child, what did you dream of doing when you grew up? Number 3, what is your favorite topic to talk about? Number 4, what do you like doing so much that you lose track of time? Number 5 is, whose life do you envy the most? Right? When you see someone on TV or in magazines or in movies, like, who is that person for you? Or even on social media. Number 6, what would you do differently now with your education if you had to start over? Right? What would it be? What change would you make? Number 7, if you had 5 minutes and the whole world was forced to listen, what would you say? Number 8, what would you do with your life if you had no fear? No fear at all. And number 9, what would you do with your life if you had a guarantee of success? Like, there was no options or opportunity to fail. If you were guaranteed to succeed, what would you do? And number 10, what would you do with your life if money was no issue? Profound. Now, these questions, I really want you to take the time to answer these questions, because they will help you uncover your passion or passions. Take the time to answer them honestly and truthfully, and it will help you propel your life and your business so that you can get the clarity on what your true passion is, and really how you can take that passion and package it up into a product, program, or service, so that you can stand in your value and really truly help facilitate transformation for those individuals that you're meant to serve. I hope that this quick video has been of value to you. If it has been, please share, like it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And if you do desire deeper support, do join me in the Dare to Be Iconic Club, where I can help you uncover your passions, help you get clear on what your purpose here is in life, so that you can live that purpose-driven life every single day. The link is in the description below. And also follow me on Instagram at Kharisma_Aro. Until next time, remember, dare to be iconic in business and life. Bye for now.